Hello everyone, I Dilip Parmar, research analyst at HDFC Securities. You are listening Currency Insight Weekly podcast. RBI policy and dollar inflows will set the stage for rupee. Indian rupee depreciated for the second consecutive month even after a stronger dollar inflows and positive risk sentiment. However, the range remained tight following the weaker dollar index and rebound in the economic activities. Primary market inflows were mostly absorbed by the central bank by dollar buying. Spot USD INR ended the July month with a gain of 9 paise to 74.42. Looking ahead, the last 10-year seasonality pattern suggests the August could be the bearish month for the rupee and the average depreciations ranging between 2 to 2.5% in the month of August. August will also be considered as a highly volatile month among the 12 months. We are looking at the way the IPO season is planned in the August month. The inflows from the primary market will continue in the August, and central bank dollar buying will also be continued. While on the international front, dollar is still lacking the trend. So, overall, we expect spot USD INR should continue in the range of 74 to 75 range. On a fundamental perspective, near-term focus will remain on the monetary policy, which is scheduled on August 6, in which we look for the liquidity withdrawal measure by the central bank and how they stance change with the rise in the inflation. We will also look how the central bank thinks about the third wave, the way the developed nation has been disturbed through the third wave. So, all in all, the rupee is expected to consolidate this month as well. This is all for this week. Thank you all and have a great week ahead.